Now I will teach you how to share your workbook. So sharing workbook is very easy here in Microsoft Excel. So in the menu bar, go to the share option here. So whenever you need to share your workbook with your colleagues or with anybody that you want, then just click the share, and then here is the name option. So place you want to share, so place if you want to share through OneDrive or any drive, then it will be shown. So if you click other, then if you had any preferred place, then add a place like OneDrive, SharePoint, OneDrive for Business, or any other cloud sources that you want to share this worksheet. It will appear, then you need to click that and then share it. Just click and then you need to upload. So by this way you can share your workbook. So you can also add a copy as an email attachment. So here I'm clicking the upload, I'm showing you again, send a copy, and then you just click here, and then there will be some options like you can share it through Outlook, through mail, messages, AirDrop, or also notes, and many more options you will get. So whatever options you like, you just need to click and then send a copy.